Traditional paints. They may look good at first, but they offer only basic finishes, limited protection, and demand frequent maintenance. It's time to redefine what paint can do. Discover Sinclair, the new generation functional paints. Corvus, your first line of defense against efflorescence and alkaline attack. Dr. Paint, a groundbreaking antiviral and antibacterial coating made for safer, healthier homes. Tamago, velvety smooth, easy to clean, where matte meets semi-gloss with active stain repellent technology. Natica, waterproofing paint that seals and beautifies, a dual-purpose protection system in one. Armadillo, powered by ultra-clean technology for tropical protection that lasts, no matter the climate. Ocean Guard, coastal-grade durability that resists weather and abrasion, keeping colors vibrant longer. Nano Shield, a nano-composite clear film that protects, self-cleans, and preserves your wall's beauty. Ligno, a fast-drying, low-odor wood primer with exceptional adhesion and eco-friendly performance. Gascara, the quick-dry enamel for wood, metal, and concrete, with a high-gloss, eco-friendly finish. Biorust, converts rust, primes, and topcoats in one. Sustainable strength for lasting protection. From walls to wood, from protection to perfection, this is the next generation of performance. This is Sinclair, the new generation functional paints. Available in all Sinclair Pro stores nationwide and leading online shops.